guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching again. We are counting down the days until Christmas and today is the 19th of December, and so we're opening door number 19, which is here with Lady and the Tramp. As you can see, the calendar is getting quite ugly now because we're moving all those nice pictures of all those Disney friends. Well, let's get it open and let's get the coin out. And the coin of today is Snow White. She's holding the apple. And she's looking very pretty. Beautiful coin this is. A fun fact about Snow White is that in the movie they wanted her to have a little bit of blush on her cheeks. But they couldn't really do it with paint. So what they did is they actually used real makeup. They used blush in order to give her that nice rosy cheek. Well, this is going to be the fun fact, and this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're having a terrific day, and I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys!